In the gospel reading we heard, Jesus speaks about the blessed ones. We hear the same passage in Matthew, but there is a difference. In Matthew, blessed are the poor, blessed those who hunger, and so on. But Luke says, woe to the rich. Why? Riches are bad? No, surely not. But your heart and mind is on riches, on worldly things. Jesus says, woe to you. The world's standard and the standard of Jesus are totally different. In the world, the rich man is considered good person, and poor man is neglected. Those who are successful considered in the world as hardworking people and all. And those who are poor considered they are lazy, they are of low status. But in the eyes of God, whom the world considers as insignificant, are great. Didn't Jesus say, the first become last and the last become the first? The Pharisee who came to the temple, standing right in front and boasting about himself and looking down upon the tax collector who is right behind, who didn't dare even to look at the altar. And Jesus said, that man, that sinner, went back home with forgiveness and not the Pharisee. So today let us ask for this grace. Like Brother Francis Garate, we become humble people and we serve God's people in our own way.